In this video, I'm excited to demonstrate how you can seamlessly integrate ChatGPT into any website without the need for a subscription to the ChatGPT API. As you're well aware, accessing the ChatGPT API can be quite costly. So, let's get started. The first step is to install the BudGPT Chrome extension. Once you have that installed, open a tab for the ChatGPT website. Now, open another tab with your favorite website. Here comes the fun part: start interacting with ChatGPT effortlessly. Simply select the text you want to use as a prompt, right-click, and then choose the desired prompt from the options.
Java is a popular programming language known for its platform independence, object-oriented nature, and wide usage in building applications ranging from software to web and mobile apps. Why did the programmer break up with C++? Because Java was fast, reliable, and secure enough for a lasting relationship. Java is a programming language that's used in a wide variety of places, including desktop and web applications, powerful supercomputers for scientific purposes, gaming consoles, cell phones, and the entire internet. It's very versatile and can be found in many The article teaches how to create a basic Java program. This code defines a Java class named test with a main method. When run, it prints my first Java program.
Hello, you are listening to my voice. Is my voice good for you? If you like my voice, then hit the save button. Kita bisa membuat program menggunakan editor teks, Notepad, atau lingkungan pengembangan terintegrasi, IDE, NetBeans.
Hello, you are listening to my voice. Is my voice good for you? If you like my voice, then hit the save button. To compile the program, the Java compiler, javac, should be executed in the command prompt, followed by the source file's name as shown below. When all is well, the javac compiler generates a file named test class, which holds the program's bytecode. Java is platform independent due to its write once, run anywhere principle. It compiles to an intermediate bytecode that can be executed on any platform with a compatible Java Virtual Machine (JVM), allowing consistent performance across different systems. Subject, issue with audio TTS extension on static site. Hello. Thank you for reaching out about the issue you're experiencing with the audio TTS extension on the static site. Absolutely agree. The Explorers podcast is a gem for exploring diverse cultures through the ages. Ibn Battuta's incredible journeys as an Islamic explorer are truly captivating. Happy learning and exploring!
The possibilities are limitless, and you can create as many prompts as you need.
Java's platform independence is a result of its bytecode compilation. Write a brief explanation of how Java achieves this unique feature.
By following these simple steps, you're able to harness the power of ChatGPT right within your favorite websites, all without the need to subscribe to the ChatGPT API. This way, you're making the most out of this incredible technology without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching, and happy ChatGPT integration!